Check all parts included in the package before installation. Prepare the required tools before installation. Plan stair sections before surrounding railing installation. Assemble the railing panel before installation. Measure your opening and trim the rails only if adjustment is required. Insert each baluster to the top rail until it clicks securely into place. Attach the support rod to the bottom rail, thinner rail. Attach the bottom rail and secure the panel with a rubber mallet. Install the level railing system. Confirm post locations and mark drilling positions before installation. Secure the first post and ensure it is properly aligned before tightening hardware. Snap the foot covers into place, then install the top caps. Keep posts slightly adjustable until panel installation. Align the railing panel with the post and mark the holes. Secure the mounting brackets to the post. Lift the panel into position and secure it to the brackets. Secure the support foot to the floor for additional stability. Repeat for remaining sections. Install the stair railing system. Both the panel and brackets adjust from 28 to 45 degrees for stair applications. Ensure baluster spacing stays under 4 inches and handrail height remains above 34 inches. Install the adjustable brackets onto the stair posts. Install the stair support foot after positioning the railing. Repeat for additional stair sections.